These are two of my newer flyers. I've had them out on the roof now for about an hour. They have a clear view of the pigeon coop and where they're supposed to go home. So I'm going to let them go. One at a time and see if they can fly. I want them to just go back down there. See how this guy does. Oh, he came right back. Doing good. He made it down to the coop. I'll see if he goes in. Okay, he's hanging out on top of the coop a little bit. Okay. Let's get my next guy. He's actually a stronger flyer. I know that, so hopefully he won't go taking off too far. But he really is a pretty bird. He or she, I don't know how to tell the gender yet, because I'm still new. But here goes this one. See how he does. Right down to the coop. Checking it out. I'll go see if I can get him inside the coop.